LED channels from Li Yanong. You have channels that are 3.3, a 20 pack. As we open up to show you what you get inside, the 20 pack kit consists of the white diffusers with a very thin film that you simply grab the leading edges and peel off the film. The back channels, green anchors and set screws, the snap-on clips, the see-through end caps with the holes for the leads that passes through the leads of the cable, as you can see. In this demonstration for your do-it-yourself LED lighting, you have an LED strip that's either indoor or outdoor. It has a 3M backing. Run your lead, simply place on, and a continuous run. We can overlap two parts like so by putting together and placing in the middle and snapping together. And then placing around the opposite end with the hanging clips simply over and snapping in. If the hanging clips were on the surface like so, just simply align up and snap in. The LED channels can be ran in living rooms above. Multicolors and more. Your do-it-yourself project. Replace existing old broken ones for planters that you can light up for lighting needs. Clean up your LED wires that are on tracks and place them in the proper track system. From an old style to a modern style lighting LED channel. LED channels, 3.3 feet, 60 plus feet of channel LED. Enough to run a living room and more. On floors, ceilings, walls, wherever you want to have an LED channel in a very slim, low profile. You got everything that you need except for LED indoor or outdoor lighting. It's made of aluminum and plastic. It is a white diffuser that peels off the extra film that is on top, and you can simply place it on the wall, on the floor, a ceiling, and more. It covers the existing LED strips for extra protection and gives off a nice diffusion glow in the low evening hours. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.